I won this case. In fact, I'm going to go get the docket for this guy. I want to show you all something about this case. It's pretty unique. But at any rate, as you can see, there is a direct KPS file in this case. And let's go to the next page. I think it's on here. If not, yeah, that's the first page. Here's the second page. Here's the perjury. See that? Not guilty. Case is dismissed on its merit. But I want to show you all something. I'm going to actually do a video on, believe it or not, I'm going to do a video on where you can hear me disqualify a judge. So I want y'all to pay attention to this. This is me. I don't know why I think I owed him $50. I didn't have an attorney. In fact, the judge that's presiding was a judge that the Florida Supreme Court sent in, because look what I did with these judges here. First judge took the case. I don't know who this. I never had Judge Taylor. I don't know what that was for, actually. I wonder if she's the judge who actually signed the warrant. But anyway, Judge Kaiser recused himself. But look at, I disqualified Judge Wolf. I moved to disqualify Judge Nash. He claims he wasn't going to do it, and then came back and on his own initiative, according to the document I got, disqualified himself or recused himself. And sometime between here and the other judge, the Florida Supreme Court stepped in and sent the judge in from another district. This guy, Thomas Barber, is now a federal judge, ended up coming off the case as well. And I'll show you something a little bit later on. I think I have one here. I don't know if where the judges were essentially going around doing some sort of talks or what have you. But all these judges knew the judge who was actually a witness in the case, the judge I told you about. And instead of them just getting up on their own, I had to continue to disqualify judges. And ultimately, with the case, you'll see. Let's see. There's 195 entries on this case. Bear with me. Oh, here you go. I guess they tried to appeal it, but it didn't matter. The DCA upheld my win. And here you go. Order dismissing, signed by the visiting judge. And actually, what was kind of crazy, here it is, dismissed on 116, officially dismissed. What was interesting about it is they put me in a courtroom that was one of the archaic courtrooms in the building. Kind of like I kind of had a couple of visions from anybody that's seen Goodfellas, like when Joe Pesci walked into that room, like, oh no. But it went well for me. The judge was pretty honorable, and I do have the audio for that one as well. So we've gotten that one out the way. I don't know where I am right now. But let's go to this one here. Another driving out license case. Oh, that's the one with Judge Conrad. The perjury, when we just went over, we saw the docket. What is this one for? Oh. Now, I want to show you something. Here's another one. They actually charged me for a felony. I think they were trying to claim that I was a habitual traffic offender, what have you. So they arrest me and charge me as a felon. I go to court, or get prepared to go to court. As you see at the bottom here, I'm pointing, like you can see that. They reduce it to county court. And that means it's actually a win, because now the prosecution that began as a felony ended in my favor, and it got reduced to a county level action. And even when the county level action was brought, outcome is still the same. Not guilty. Drop the case. And unless I look at the actual court docket, I don't remember what some of this stuff is even. I mean, I know what they were all about, driving out license, but I won't remember the details unless I actually go over the audio, which for most of these cases, in fact, for all the county cases, I have the audio for. So, but I probably will just do some YouTube, since I've already done one breaking down the narrative, that you can actually just listen to the case if you want to, or just go through the Dropbox. That's the easiest way. Another driving without license case, 2018. Again, I don't remember the details. Y'all bear with me. And now this letter of release is for the one in 2019. They stopped me. This is actually what prompted me, at the behesting of my family, to just pay the reinstatement fee, because even though it was suspended originally for child support, that was already taken care of. I'd already dealt with that and gotten rid of that. But I was refusing to pay the reinstatement fee for my license, because my position was you took my license improperly without due process. I had an incident where they stopped me on the side of the road. I couldn't really see, so I had to use, I guess, some of my military training to pay attention to the shadows and the feet and listen for the sounds of the feet moving. They had quite a few vehicles there. After that, my family said, just get the license, and if you want to fight about something else, fight about something else. Got the license, and in fact, if you go on my YouTube channel and you look for the video, said the bully versus being bullied versus hitting, it's called being bullied versus hitting a bully in the mouth, you'll hear that the judge made them give me back the license. They tried to take it again after that. The judge made them give it back, and I haven't had any incidents or issues with it since then. So I pay it's like $60 per reinstatement in the state of Florida. Even though you only have one license, let's say there's like 20 suspensions, you have to pay the reinstatement 20 times. Of course, it's just brutally improper, but I just paid for it, got it done. I damn sure want my money back. I'll figure out something else to kick their ass about. Then, let's see. Oh, here's the perjury one. So, anyway, you can see it all. It's right here. It's not a secret. Again, it's all public record. So, it's not like I've done anything special showing it to you. You could have gotten it if you wanted it. So, well, that concludes this video. Pro se tips for preparing for court. And if you need to contact me or wish to contact me, go to gregdoss.com. You can also reach out to me through email at gdnapsc@gmail.com. You can call me. The information for contacting me is on my website. And it's always important. Sometimes it's not about right or wrong. More importantly, it's about clarity. And you'll never reach resolution unless you're willing to engage in honest dialogue, even if that dialogue is with yourself. Take time to hug the person you love and love the person you hug. And on behalf of GD Non-Attorney Pro Se Consultants, I'm Greg Doss. I'm DJ Squid. I'm saying peace. I'm saying chicken grease. I'm out of here.